Hi guys, I'm Rahul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss chapter 8 of Flamingo book of class 12, Going Places. Guys, in this chapter the main characters are Sophie. Sophie is a girl who is a daydreamer. Another character is Jancy, who is friend of Sophie. Another character is Danny Casey, who is Irish footballer, and Geoff, who is elder brother of Sophie. So guys, here we move to the summary of this chapter, Going Places. The story of this chapter that revolves around a teenage girl whose name is Sophie. सोफी नाम की एक लड़की है और इसी से रिलेटेड ये स्टोरी इसी के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है इस चैप्टर में. एंड सोफी इज गाइज सी इज अ डे ड्रीमर, दिन में सपने देखने वाला काम, एंड हु इज ऑलवेज लॉस्ट इन हर ड्रीम्स ऑफ बिकमिंग rich and sophisticated thought in the reality. She is a worker at biscuit factory. Yeah, she works where? In biscuit factory. And the story suddenly twists up when Sophie make a wild imagination of meeting Danny Casey, who is a famous footballer. She also makes a story in front of her brother, and Casey will come to meet her on a fixed place to date her there as per a promise he made to her. और वो इमेजिन कर लेती है अपने माइंड में ये वी कैन से कि इट वाज जस्ट द इमेजिनेशन, इट वाज जस्ट द ड्रीम, एंड शी स्टार्टेड टू कैरी इट एज अ रियलिटी दैट शी everywhere she announces that Danny Casey, who is a very famous footballer, he is coming to meet, he is coming to date her. So guys, here we start the summary, a little bit short explanation of this chapter, Going Places. Sophie or Jancy, they are two teenagers. They once they are coming back from the school, and they both work where? They both work in a biscuit factory. Sophie is lost in her imagination of owning a boutique. वो boutique खोलना चाहती है. Boutique is fancy type of shop where cosmetic items and the such type of items they are sold. That is boutique shop. तो वो सोफी बताती है कि वो इमेजिन करती है कि she will open the boutique shop in the future, and she will become very famous there like Mary Quint. Mary Quint जो है वो क्या है? She is a fashion designer. तो Jancy, she tells her not to dream and just like such a big dream, and you know it requires lots of money which they don't have. उनके पास उतना पैसा नहीं और ये जस्ट कल्पना है उन लोगों के लिए, सपने देखना होता है, तो सपना मत देखो. सोफी जो होती है वो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट शी इज डे ड्रीमर, बट जो जेंसी होती है वो रियलिटी में होती है, उसको रियलिटी पता होती है कि दे आर वर्किंग इन द बिस्किट फैक्ट्री एंड शी नोज ईच एंड एवरी फैक्ट. तो वो उसको समझाती है कि देख, तू दिन में सपना देखना बंद कर, और ये जो बुटीक वुटीक खोलने की बात है दैट इज जस्ट नॉट गुड, एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस बिकॉज यू वांट मच मोर मनी टू ओपन बुटीक. And she replies that she will become an actress and all these things, earn a lot, and then she will be the owner of a boutique. So Jancy, being a realistic person यहाँ पे, she does not support her thoughts. Jancy doesn't support the thought of Sophie. She tells that no, it is not possible, we cannot do it. So on reaching home, Sophie feels choked in that small house where is full of the stops steam and looks untidy everywhere because of the dirty dishes. Her father is eating and her mother is just busy in kitchen. घर पहुंचने के बाद it was the atmosphere there, and she goes to meet her elder brother. I have already told you, who is Geoff, yeah, and who is trainee mechanic and is busy repairing some motorcycle part. She was he was busy to work there. He was making there, or he was doing something with the motorcycle part, and Geoff talks very less about his personal life, which made her imagine of his just imagine of his personal life which she considers very interesting and wants to be part of it. एक्चुअली सोफी वॉन्ट्स दैट जियोफ भी उसके साथ अपनी जो पर्सनल लाइफ है और चीजें हैं उसको शेयर करे, लेकिन जियोफ कुछ ऐसा नहीं करता है. ही डजंट डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड ही डजंट वांट टू शेयर हिज पर्सनल लाइफ बिकॉज ही डजंट ड्रीम देयर. या फिर वो उसको बताती है कि टुडे शी शेयर्स अ सीक्रेट, शी इज गोइंग, शी शेयर्स द सीक्रेट दैट शी मेट हुम शी मेट डेनी केसी. वो उसको बताती है कि आज वो डेनी केसी से मिली थी, झूठ मूठ का. Yeah, it was just the imagination of the mind of Sophie. Nothing reality is there. And Danny Casey se mili, who is a famous footballer, and she met where? She met him in a boutique. Yeah. And her brother and her father do not believe her. वो उसको विश्वास नहीं करते हैं because they were knowing that Sophie is such type of girl and so always such type of explanation and she imagines such type of things. So they were knowing that it's just the fantasy of her mind. So guys, they didn't believe her, but she tries to make them believe this. She tries to convince them. And on Saturday Sophie and her family go to watch a football match and them all get fans of football. तो एक दिन वो सारी फैमिली जाते हैं कहाँ, स्टेडियम में फुटबॉल देखने जाते हैं जहाँ पे डेनी केसी भी होता है. तो the favorite team wins due to a goal made by Casey. Danny Casey के गोल के कारण their favorite team wins there and all of them feel so overjoyed. They become very very happy and they felt so glad there after that. When Sophie returns home with her little brother Derek, Derek है जो little brother होता है, और Jancy questions her about the reality behind her meeting with Danny Casey. तो वो सबको बता दी होती कि वो डेनी केसी से मिलने वाली है, डेनी केसी विल डेट हर एंड ऑल दिस थिंग. तो जेंसी बोलती है क्या सच में इट इज ट्रू दैट आर यू गोइंग टू मीट हिम. सो सोफी गेट्स एंग्री कि मैं तुमको बताया था, तुमने डेरेक को बता दिया अपने छोटे भाई को. अब वो सारे इधर उधर बोलेगा और या सारी जगह ही इज गोइंग टू स्प्रेड ऑल दिस न्यूज एवरीवेयर. तो सी देन विजिट्स अ सीक्रेट प्लेस नियर अ कैनाल टू मीट हर हीरो केसी who doesn't show up. तो वहां पे दिखाया गया है कि उसने एक जो प्लेस किया है दैट इज वेरी पीस एंड वेरी काम प्लेस एंड दैट इज नियर बाय द कैनल. या कैनल के बगल में वो एक प्लेस है. तो शी इमेजिन्स दैट एंड शी नोज दैट इट वाज जस्ट हर इमेजिनेशन but she was so lost in his love and that she doesn't want to come out of it. And it was just the imagination of Sophie and she doesn't want to come out of that imagination. एंड ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. सी जस्ट इमेजिन्स दैट वहां पे एक बेंच होगा और वहां पे क्या होगा, वहां पे एकदम से आइसोलेटेड प्लेस होगा, एकांत होगा एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. देन शी विल गो एंड डेनी केसी विल कम एंड they will meet each other and he will date her. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. when she goes there, Danny Casey doesn't come and finally just in the end she returns back to her home without meeting him because it was just the imagination of the mind. Danny Casey doesn't come and Danny Casey it was sure that Danny Casey was not going to come to meet such type of just ordinary girl. It was just the fantasy and fancy of the mind of what you call that Sophie. And she knows that it was just her imagination but she was so lost in the love that she doesn't want to come out of this. लेकिन बाद में वो जब रिटर्न आती है घर पे she was so sad and there was sadness in her heart, एकदम उदास थी. But when she comes across the Royce's boutique, she again finds herself love in her hero's dreams there. That day Danny Casey doesn't come, she becomes sadness in the end and she gets the reality. But again she starts dreaming there and again she starts watching the dream and again she start thinking about Danny Casey in the last. So it was the summary of what you call that going places from class 12. I want to discuss 2-3 important questions from the point of from exam point of view. Okay, so guys, first question I want to discuss here. कि what socio-economic background did Sophie belong to? So we can say Sophie belonged to a lower middle class family. Lower middle class family, yeah, lower middle class family से belong करती थी, and lived in a small house with her family. And when she returned home from school, she felt uncomfortable because of the steam and the untidy look of her house. Her mother was doing what? Her mother was stooping because of the burden of the work she did. Another question I want to discuss: Sophie and Jancy were classmates and friends. What were the differences between them? So we can give the answer. Sophie and Jancy, they were very opposite to each other. Though they were friends, Sophie was always lost in her dreams, but Jancy was knowing the reality. Yeah, Sophie, she wanted to lead a life full of luxury and full of sophistication. She dreamed of owning a boutique, be like Mary Quint, who was an actress. So these are the things. Jancy, she is not a daydreamer like Sophie. She tried to convince Sophie that such dreams required a lot of money, and meager salary from the factory was not enough to fulfill such type of dreams, to open the boutique. Okay, another question: why did Sophie like her brother Geoff more than any other person? So Geoff was an introvert type of person, and he spoke less about himself. This made Sophie like him, as she thought that he visited some secret places they were full of interesting people. So she tried to win his affection in order to get a chance to ride with him on the special place where she would visit by wearing a beautiful yellow dress. So thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it to get the latest videos. If you have any comment related to chapter, put in the comment box. Okay.